Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best outdoor storage sheds that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Rubbermaid 7x7 is an excellent option for anyone needing extra storage space in their backyard. Constructed from durable weather-resistant resin, this shed is designed to withstand the elements without rusting or rotting, ensuring long-lasting use. Assembly is simplified with 33% fewer parts than previous models, making setup hassle-free. Key features include robust walls and a roof that are 50% stronger than those of earlier models, providing enhanced protection for your belongings. The shed offers ample storage space with its 7x7 feet footprint, suitable for storing riding lawnmowers, bicycles, patio furniture, gardening equipment, and pool supplies. Its double doors open a full 180 degrees for easy access, even to items stored at the back. Enhanced ventilation, with 50% more airflow than previous models, helps prevent moisture buildup and mildew growth, while the lockable doors provide added security. The innovative design includes an integrated rain gutter for effective water management and dormer windows that allow natural light to enter, improving visibility inside. The shed's roof can support heavier snowfall, withstanding loads up to 15 pounds per square foot, making it suitable for various climates. Overall, the Rubbermaid 7x7 is a durable, spacious, and easy-to-assemble storage solution, ideal for keeping your outdoor space organized and clutter-free. The Keter Elite Store 4.6 by 2.7 is a durable horizontal weatherproof storage solution designed for your garden, patio, or balcony. Made from weather-resistant resin with reinforced double wall panels, this shed is built to withstand rain, snow, and sun, ensuring it won't rust, dent, or peel. Its low-maintenance design makes it an ideal storage option for various outdoor tools and equipment. This shed features a sleek modern design with a wood grain look finish that can be painted to match your outdoor decor. With dimensions of 4.6 by 2.7 feet and a storage capacity of 41 cubic feet, it can hold bikes, lawnmowers, patio furniture, gardening tools, trash cans, and more. The double doors with chrome hinges provide easy access, and the lockable metal handle adds security. The lid is equipped with gas pistons for smooth opening and closing, preventing slamming, while built-in ventilation helps prevent moisture buildup and keeps stored items dry. An optional lid-to-bin kit allows the hands-free opening of 2 standard 63-gallon trash cans. The shed is easy to assemble using a tongue and groove panel system and includes a sturdy floor panel to protect contents from rainwater. Overall, the Keter Elite Store Horizontal is a versatile and functional storage solution for outdoor needs. Its weatherproof, spacious, and easy-to-use design makes it a great option for homeowners and gardeners alike. The Patiowell 6x4 is a compact and affordable option for storing lawn and garden tools, equipment, or other outdoor essentials. Made of rust-resistant and weatherproof galvanized steel, this shed is designed to withstand the elements, making it an ideal choice for outdoor use. The shed measures 6 by 4 feet, offering 125 cubic feet of storage capacity, which is suitable for smaller backyards or patios. Key features of the Patiowell shed include double lockable doors for easy access and enhanced security. The doors come with plastic protective caps to prevent sharp corners. The shed also has 4 vents incorporated into its design to promote air circulation and prevent moisture buildup, reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth. The sloping roof design helps prevent rain, snow, or debris from accumulating on the top, enhancing its durability and longevity. The shed is designed to hold up to 440 pounds, making it robust and reliable. Its multifunctional use allows it to store a variety of outdoor tools, lawnmowers, bikes, and toolboxes. It can even serve as a pet house or garbage room, keeping your yard clean and organized. Easy to assemble with plastic protection caps for safety, the Patiowell 6x4 storage shed is a durable and practical solution for anyone needing a small weatherproof storage option. Its sleek design also enhances the aesthetic of any outdoor space while serving a functional purpose. The Lifetime Vertical Storage Shed is a compact and efficient solution for storing yard and garden equipment. With dimensions of 27 by 53 by 67 inches and a capacity of 53 cubic feet, it provides ample space while maintaining a small footprint. Made from dual-wall high-density polyethylene panels and reinforced with steel, this shed is built to last. Its UV-protected and weather-resistant construction shields against sun damage, rain, and snow, ensuring durability in various climates. Key features include stain-resistant walls and floors, making cleanup easy, and impact-resistant materials to withstand dents and dings. The shed features double doors with a slider latch locking system for added security, along with 2 height-adjustable shelves for organizing smaller items. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in about an hour with 2 people. The shed accommodates standard push mowers up to 24-inch wide and offers convenient features such as padlock loops for security and UV protection to prevent fading. Its compact vertical design saves space and can be placed in various locations in your yard or garden. The shed's premium build, including easy-to-clean, stain-resistant materials and a weather-resistant, steel-reinforced structure, ensures it will remain in good condition for years. The Lifetime Vertical Storage Shed is a practical choice for homeowners needing a durable weatherproof storage solution for their tools and equipment. Its sturdy construction, ease of maintenance, and affordable price make it a popular option for enhancing outdoor storage. The Suncast Stow-Away horizontal shed is a versatile and durable solution for keeping your yard organized. It boasts a weather-resistant, all-resin construction that can withstand the elements and is built to last for years. With dimensions of 5.9 by 3.7 feet and a spacious 70 cubic feet of storage capacity, this shed can comfortably hold various household items, including bicycles, lawnmowers, tools, patio furniture, or even 2 96-gallon trash cans. Its low-profile design makes it a perfect fit for smaller yards and patios. The shed features 2 front-opening double doors and a hinged lid for easy access to your items. The lid is equipped with gas shocks for one-handed operation, keeping it open while you access your belongings. Additionally, the soft-close lid prevents slamming shut, enhancing safety by reducing the risk of injury. The shed's all-weather construction includes multi-wall resin panels that provide strength and durability, protecting your stored items from sun damage, rain, and snow. The 3-point locking system with a padlock eyelet ensures that your belongings remain secure. The shed is also designed for easy maintenance and assembly. Made from resin, it is easy to clean and does not rust or rot, ensuring it maintains its attractive appearance over time. The reinforced floor is designed to withstand heavy loads, making it suitable for storing lawnmowers and other heavy equipment. The natural wood-like finish blends seamlessly with outdoor environments, adding aesthetic value to your yard. The shed can be assembled by one person with basic tools, thanks to its user-friendly design. Overall, the Suncast Stow-Away horizontal shed is a functional and user-friendly storage solution. Its spacious interior, easy access features, and durable weatherproof construction make it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to declutter and organize their outdoor spaces effectively.